What's up, mommies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, as you can see, we're back to traveling. So we're here in Pirna. It's a very beautiful town besides Dresden, approximately around 30 minutes from the city center. So we're gonna check this out, and I'm gonna show you around their old town or Altstadt and their castle, the Sonnenstein castle. So let's get it. We started our tour here in the market square. Luckily, we easily got a parking spot besides the Rathaus or the town hall. For our round tour, we decided to go up and see the castle first before we roam around the Altstadt or the old city. In just a few meters from the market square, we reached the famous St. Marian or St. Mary Church of Pirna. This evangelical Lutheran home church in Pirna is definitely one of the largest late Gothic hall churches in Saxony. The sermon church, designed as a three-aisled hall, is in the tradition of the Saxon and Bohemian hall churches. There's two ways going up to the castle. First is using the stairs through the Malerweg, or second one through the street called Bergstrasse. So we took the second one to make a round tour, and it's also easier for the stroller to navigate. The town of Pirna is set in the picturesque landscape of the Elbe Valley between Dresden and the Elbe Sandstone Mountains, and stands at the gate to Saxon Switzerland. Pirna is known beyond the borders of Saxony largely to the paintings of the Venetian artist Bernardo Bellotto, known as Canaletto. On top, we found the stunning Sonnenstein castle, but unfortunately, it's closed for tourists due to the pandemic, and some parts are also under renovation. The Sonnenstein castle housed a mental hospital which operated from 1811 to the end of the World War II in 1945. During the war, it functioned as an extermination center for the Third Reich Action T4 program. It was shut down following the war and reopened in 1970. Since 2008, the former Sonnenstein fortress, which by then had a moving history, has been made fit for a new historical chapter. The older part of the complex, the bastions and fortifications from the 18th century, and the terrace gardens from the 19th century have been reconstructed and renovated and have been open to visitors since May 2012. In addition to the many outdoor tourist facilities, Sonnenstein Castle has many beautiful sights inside. Definitely worth a visit. At the back of the castle through the Canaletto Weg offers the scenic view of the Elbe River, and at the end of the castle fortress, it gives you the magnificent view of the old city. down through the Malerweg gives you the delightful view of the Altstadt and the insides of the castle terrace.
Was ist du?
Going back to the market square, we make another round tour before heading back to the parking lot. It is hard to believe that this city has an eventful past from its first mention in 1233 in a document about the Northern War around 1706 to the terrible flood disaster in 2002.
Ang tawag dito is Hochwasser. Ganyang kataas mo yung mga year level. Ang pinakamataas na flood is 2002. Ganyang kataas, lagpas tao. Look. Lagpas na sa akin. Flooded ang buo. Diba?
The historical old town continues to invite its visitors to enjoy an extensive wander. The medieval town center features winding streets, leading visitors in between townhouses, charming courtyards, and numerous fountains, and taking you on a journey through the past. As the town has largely been spared from the war damage and fires, its romantic silhouette has been preserved over the centuries.
It's chocolate wine and coffee shop.
Pirna is indeed a well-preserved town center with the town hall rich in Gothic portals. The traces of fire and water have almost completely disappeared, thanks to extensive renovations over decades. Finally, we're back to our parking spot. And that was really a great historical and interesting tour that always end with a smile. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!